Hi everybody, this is Lacey. I'm going to give you a really quick little rundown on the way that I do my stamp prep. So I'm going to put this in my tutorials for beginners so that they know how to prep so all of you guys know how to prep your stamps as soon as you get them. This is how I do it. It makes it really easy. I'm not sure whose video I saw it from, but whoever it was, thanks a lot for the tip because it's genius. So I just wanted to show you this absolutely fabulous gnome set that we have in our upcoming July to December mini catalog. And then I'm going to give you a sneak peek also of two of the items that you can earn from the celebrations. So if you spend $50 or more, you can get either one of these sets that I'm going to show you in a minute. But for now, I'm going to show you how I store my dies, and I'm going to show you how to prep your stamps. I'm not going to do them all, I'll just do a gnome. I already did the mushroom, so these are the dies. Cuts out, let's show you. So this one cuts out the mushroom, and then there's a die for each gnome. There is two little mushroom dies. Not sure what this is. Oh, it must be for the doorknob. That's what it looks like to me. And then you have a beard, a hat, a nose, and feet to actually make a die cut gnome. I will be having cards coming very soon because I cannot wait to play with these guys. I should in a couple of days have the paper that comes with this, and it is fabulous. Let me know if you want to see a haul video, and I can do that. I just have never done one before, but I've watched a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna do this very first one here. So I take this little guy. These come in rubber sheets. I'm going to show you really fast. Let's not give you that sneak peek yet. So the dies come like this. They have a backing on them. And then when you peel off the backing, it looks like this. And this is what sticks to your acrylic block. Now, that holds on for a while, but after a while it loses its stick. The stickers that come, they actually show you what you're stamping when you're getting ready to stamp it down on the paper. Cardstock, whatever you're stamping on too, because you can stamp on everything, even fabric. So it just depends on what your project is. It helps to have these labels on here. A lot of people don't like them, don't use them, but I do, and this is how I do it. So you peel the whole thing up with the backing on it, because this is the backing that you're going to peel off to stick to your actual stamp. So you put him onto the acrylic block, just like that. Yeah, let's see if you can see. There, sorry, I'll center it for you. I use my take your pick tool to pick off the backing. Sometimes it goes quick, sometimes it does not. Throw that away. Then you have revealed your image. So when you turn it over like this, okay, I'm going to turn it back. See how this is the exact same image? You know that when you turn them both over, they're going to be perfect. So you just line it up so that the plastic is right on top of all that gray area. You stamp it now. Push pretty hard so that it gets out the air bubbles. Or not. There, sometimes you have to push on the bigger areas. And that is it. You turn it over, and that's your image. That's exactly what your image will look like when you stamp it. That is it. Easy peasy. I just wanted to show you guys that sneak peek of those gorgeous gnomes, because I think they're fabulous. So this is a set, so you can earn the hippest hippos with a $50 or more purchase. And if you do $100 or more, you can earn these absolutely adorable dies that go with it. And I have seen some pretty cute samples, so look for some of those from me soon. All right. Thank you very much. Happy stamping.